What's up guys, my name is Patrick from TechRay254. I have the mini laser street lighting projector which I'm going to unbox and show you guys how they operate. So in the box we have the user guide manual or the paperwork written in both English and Chinese, the power adapter with 5.0 voltage, tripod stand which makes it more flexible, which means it's adjustable, then have the mini laser projector itself. It has high quality aluminum alloy housing. Here we have the laser aperture. The side we have the output, power output. Then at the back we have the switch, flash control knob, sound active and auto model, motor controller knob, and a cooling fan. Next, I'm going to join the tripod stand to the laser projector and connect the charger to the power source. Then I'll turn the lights off so that I will show you how the laser works. I have turned off the lights. The room is dark. Next, I'm going to turn on the projector. Wow, this is so cool. It's so amazing. It's beautiful. Using the switch, you can control the lights either continuous lighting or twinkling mode. The colors appear and disappear automatically or according to the sound or music volume, which means the projector automatically detects the sound or music volume, and so the twinkling of the lights goes in hand with the beats. These lights are usable in places such as hotels, bars, parties, stages, ballrooms, etc. You should avoid direct eye contact with the laser so that you do not have eye problems. If you need one, feel free to contact the number below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss any notification anytime I'm unboxing and reviewing a new product. See you in the next video.